Hello friends, welcome to Code with Karthik. This is part 2 of the topic functions and methods used with tuple. Now we are going to see sorted function, then index and count methods. So what this sorted function is doing, it returns a new sorted list from the elements of the tuple. We know that tuples are immutable. So tuples are immutable. So if you are using this sorted means it will sort those elements in ascending or descending order. So for those new elements, it will return new list. It will not modify original tuple. No, it will not modify original tuple. Then index is one method. It returns the index of first occurrence of a specified element or value. So this is the index method. Then count method is there. So what is this count is doing? Returns the number of occurrences of a specified value. So we will see all these so this function and these methods practically. Now we will see this practically. So sorted returns a new sorted list from elements of the tuple. So I will define here one tuple. T is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 6, right? So this is the tuple I have defined. Now what I want to do, I want to sort this tuple. We know that tuples are immutable, so we can't modify this original tuple. So if we use this sorted function, so it will return us new list instead of tuple. So now here I am using like sorted t, and I have to use this sorted function, and I have to pass this tuple here. And if I print this sorted t on the console, sorted t, and if I run this code, I got here one list. See here, so square brackets are used. This is one list. I have told you it returns new sorted list, right? Why it returns list? Because tuples are immutable. And if I print original tuple, print t, and if I run this, so this t is as it is, that is tuple is as it is, right? So now if you want to sort, so here if we have seen this tuple is sorted in ascending order, so this is the natural sorting order. I want to sort in descending order, so what you have to do here, you have to pass one more argument, that is reverse is equal to true, then it will sort in the descending order. So if I run this, see here it has sorted in the descending order. In this way you can use this sorted function. Then index is there, so it returns the index of first occurrence of a specified value. So this is one method. So how to use this? I will use here I, and I want to find, for example, I want to find index of this 3. So this 3 has occurred at 3 positions, but it will return us only index of first occurrence, right? So now if I use here, so how to use this method? T dot index, and I want to find index of 3, and if I print this I on the console, I. So what is the index of this 3? 0 1 2, so it will give me 2 right here. So I got here 2, right? So in this way you can use this index method. Then next is count. It returns the number of occurrences of a specified value or element. So if I use this, I want to use this, so I will use here C, and t dot count. I want to find occurrences of 3, for example, and if I print this on the console, print C, C. So how many times 3 has occurred? 1 2 3, so 3 times, so it will return us 3, right? It has written C as 3, right? So in this way you can use sorted function and these methods on tuple. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.